Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 interesting facts about Korean K-pop bands that you did not know yet. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. 21. Girls' Generation Sunny has 2 older sisters, 10 and 15 years older than her, but they were all born on May 15th. 22. NCT's Jaemin got scouted by SM Entertainment while volunteering to pick up trash. 23. Twice's Mina and Jihyo relax by knitting. 24. FX's Luna is the only member in her family that didn't major in classical music, even her twin sister did. 25. IDLE's Miyeon almost debuted with Blackpink. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.